the UK sales manager for Wellis in the UK. And today we're down in Rotterdam near Brighton with one of our charity spa donations that we are doing. And we're actually doing it with one of our Danube swim spas. Throughout the year we do lots of charity work throughout Europe and the UK through Wellis's charity network. And we like to help this out in the communities to put something back.
I have a son called Freddie. He has a degenerative muscular condition. During lockdown, was struggling with Freddie's condition in that it was progressing quite rapidly. We needed something to do here in the home that would give him a bit of exercise whilst we were shielding. He needed to move, so we decided to see if we could find a swim spa. I phoned around probably 45 different companies throughout the country, seeing if there was anything that was going to be within my budget to help me with this problem that was a very serious problem. The only person that I managed to speak to that showed any kindness at all was Harry from Wellis Spas in Worthing.
I was approached by Laura just during lockdown, who was looking for a swim spa for her child, Freddie. She had a limited budget, therefore couldn't pay the full amount for our spas. I personally am interested in children's charities, and I work with a local company called Chestnut Treehouse in West Sussex, so obviously this is very important for me.
This one has been come to us from Harry Moss at Wellis in Sussex, who is based in Worthing. He's one of our largest dealers, and he approached us to talk about the possibilities of getting this arranged, and we jumped at the chance to do this because obviously we love to do things for the communities.
I called Wellis and asked them if they would be interested in contributing towards this swim spa. They agreed, and that's what happened. David Wright and I arranged with Laura the process of getting the swim spa delivered to Rotterdam and installed, and now they can enjoy it and improve the quality of their life.
Today I'm here with young Freddie, who's going to be swimming in the swim spa today, which we have donated so that he can build his muscles, get stronger and keep himself as fit as possible.
Harry still pops out throughout the week to check that the water levels are right, to check that Freddie's getting everything that he needs from the pool. We've been in it every single day. It's been absolutely life-changing, especially for Freddie, who now is able to access his exercise within the home. We can't thank Wellis enough for the help that they've given us. It has been completely life-changing, and we are so very grateful, aren't we, Freddie?